Hello guys, it's Simon here. Right, this is as much a test of the camera as anything. Because it's on the slippery slope with this battery, it keeps losing time. I've updated the firmware to the version that has no timestamp. So it's still the same key fob camera, and as you can see, it's a windy day. The helicopter's really getting tossed about. Nice blue sky in places mine though, some wispy high cloud. So yeah, we'll see. I've also increased the swash AFR a little bit. So I get a pitch range of something like 0 to +11 to -11, and the swash deflections are now at 7 or just above. I just felt I wasn't getting enough pitch change in the flips. Screw that wind. Gosh, that's difficult. Got to get used to the feel of it again as well. Oh, I don't try to flip. It's just too much at the moment. Well, with the flybar oh gosh, the flybar paddles are glued in place now. Thanks, George, for that suggestion. So we'll see. Yeah, I was watching Rob's video of his new camera, and I noticed that the sent to be less exposure hunting and changes in saturation, so I decided that upgrading the firmware, well, there's basically two good reasons to do it. The firmware for the cameras is now on release 2, so we'll see. Wondered if I dare try a flip. Oh, then. Oh yes, that's better. Oh, it's windy though. Wondered if I'd dare try a loop as well. There we go, a loop. Because of the vicious winds, and I'm not really going to pull any trees up with this flight, I'm going to land. Now landing could well be tricky, and we'll call this a video. Oh, screw, how do you land in this? Okay, well this has to be the windiest I've ever flown in. It's got to be. Well, it sort of landed on its own then. I wish I could say I meant that. Anyway, there we go. Thanks for watching all, and yeah, challenging in the wind. Bye for now.